Hello everyone, I just thought I'd do a quick update on my Nikon P1000 rig. This will probably be the last time I do this because I can't really think of any other ways of improving what I've got, and I'm pretty happy with the setup as it is. So this will probably be it. I'm here in one of my favourite spots in West Cornwall, filming the enormous bluefin tuna. And if you're lucky, you might see one jumping out in the background at some point. Enormous beasts. One of my favourite places, one of my favourite things to do, filming the bluefin tuna. Between September and October, which is generally when they seem to turn up. Anyway, excuse me. So, I think I mentioned in my last video that I was looking to replace the monitor. And I have done. I've replaced it with this 5-inch Feel World monitor. I really like the bracket, the angle bracket, which is great, and it's got the little slot there where I can put my microphone, which is great, and it's micro HDMI, which isn't so great because, you know, the connections are can get a bit loose, and sometimes I have to fiddle around with it before I can get a picture on the screen. But you know, it is what it is. It's a cheap monitor, it's a cheap camera, so what do you expect? But and that's pretty much it really. So I've got the new monitor. Love the bracket, love the way I can connect the microphone. I've got the curly HDMI to mini HDMI connector. Nothing else has changed. Same tripod, same rails. I'll put all the information in the description for you, so you can see what I've got. I think the monitor was about 120 quid off Amazon. And when I'm not fiddling around with the mini HDMI, it's a really good piece of kit. It really is. It comes with a little sunshade. The batteries last really well. I can't remember if it comes with 2 batteries. I know obviously it comes with 1 battery. I think I may have bought another battery and a charger since. Yeah, and that's about it. Oh look, there's a seal. It's gone. That's it. Any questions, let me know. Can't think of anything else to mention about the rig, but that's about as far as it gets. I mean, to be honest, I'm looking to get some more gear in the near future. Probably Sigma 60 to 600 sports telephoto lens, and I'm looking at maybe a Lumix GH7 or maybe a Blackmagic 6K Pro. I don't know yet. I've been researching it for a long time. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this setup here. This gets me everything I need to get when I'm out filming on the coast. You know, the reach is brilliant. As long as you can keep it stable, then, you know, it's a great piece of kit for the money. No complaints really. Anyway, I think that's about it. Hopefully it's not going to rain today, and hopefully the tuna will turn up again, because they were here about half an hour ago. It was all kicking off over there. I'll intercut some footage with this video so you can see what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm just blabbering on. Hopefully you can hear me over the sound of the sea and the wind in the background. All right, take it easy. Cheers.